Hello gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll decide to subscribe and get to know me, because I definitely want to get to know you. So I have my PR from HeavenPanty. HeavenPanty and I have been friends for a while, about 2 years. I've got a huge collection from them. Underwear that they send me every single month. I love them. We're gonna check out today's, and then we're gonna talk a little bit more about HeavenPanty. So they come in this package every single month, and inside it is another package that has it's like a Ziploc bag. So we just tear into it and check out what we got. So when I first started getting them, I got sexy underwear, and then oh, these are kind of sexy. I switched my profile up to more full-size underwear, and this is what the front looks like. Look at the back. Yeah, there's a lot missing here. So let me go ahead and take these out and hold them up so you can see them. Wow. And then I usually do like a try-on portion of the video, but I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do that. This is the front, and then look at this. These are super soft, by the way. Look at how cute though. I do love the styles. Okay, so the crotch is always 100% cotton. You can get panties as low as $1.99. They do give you $10 every month to shop in add-ons when you do get have a subscription of these. And the sizes are from extra small to 3XXX. And yeah, so if you've got any questions, put them down in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can try these on for you, and then I'll be back. I just wanted to mention that these are adjustable in the back, which is kind of neat. Okay guys, so you see them. These are absolutely my favorite pair. The back is so cute. I didn't want to show too much because I don't, like you guys know. But I do want you to get the idea of what they look like. So that's why I kind of do those try-on portions of the video. I have not washed these yet, but I can tell you I've gotten them for 2 years, and almost 2 years. And I have accidentally dried them and they've never shrunk. They've never lost their elasticity. They never lost their softness. Basically, I put them on delicate and then I let them hang dry, but once in a while I accidentally throw them into the dryer. But overall, I absolutely love the quality. I love that they have giveaways going on a lot of the times. They send you emails. They give you that $10 a month add-ons. I'm going to link all their information down below. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know that there's there's Naughty Knickers out there, and there's like Splendies, but is there a favorite company that you like for panty styling services? Let me know that down in the comments. I'm sure other people would like to hear it too. If you've got any questions for me, as always, put them in the comment section. I will do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!